Hi, I'm Louis from Brentwood MBK. I'm here with Rosa from the Brentwood Public Library and Liz from Pronto. And Rosa's going to talk to you a little bit about the library.
So you can grow your own vegetables for a salad using seeds from the Brentwood Seed Library. A seed library is a place in your community where you can get free seeds. The Brentwood Seed Library is located inside of the Brentwood Public Library, so we're open whenever the library is open. And this year we have lots of different varieties of seeds that you could use in a salad. We have spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, herbs for the dressing. So if you're new to gardening, that's also no problem. We have lots of books at the library that will teach you how to start gardening, how to garden in small space or in containers. So stop by the library and get your seeds and come say hello.
Hi, my name is Liz. I'm here in Pronto now 3 years. I'm super excited because my brother's keeper is now partnering with us. We have a wonderful garden in the back, and right now we have students that are cleaning up. But here at Pronto, we have so many different services that go on. We have the Department of Social Services that comes once a week. We have the Department of Labor. We also have different programs. We have the weekend food program, but this particular program is something we do on a weekly basis. So thank you, my brother's keeper, for participating in this. And our goal is really to bring our community closer to eating natural, eating healthy, eating whole foods.
So today we're going to make a spinach salad. This is the recipe, which will be available on the Pronto and Brentwood Public Library social medias.
So Louis is going to be making the wonderful salad, and the salad he's going to be using is starting off with is spinach, 5 ounces of spinach. And again, if you go over, it's really not a big deal. So if 6 ounces, again, know your audience. So if you have a lot of people coming, use the whole thing, but it's up to you. It says 5 ounces. Let's do the 5 ounces of spinach. And spinach has fiber. It's phenomenal for our body, so brain and stomach. So you can put that in there. Awesome. Perfect. And then we're going to put 1 apple thinly sliced.
An apple right here.
Yep. Awesome. And apple also contains a lot of fiber, really good for our, microbiome in our stomach and digestion. The other is 1/4 cup of red onion. The red onion is right there. Perfect. And onions are great to lower cholesterol. So if anyone's looking to do that, and again, none of us here are nutritionists, doctors, or medical professionals, so please check with your doctors before doing any of this. But we do know that eating healthier, cleaner food, especially if it's grown, is really good for us. It's one of the best things to do, right? The last one would be the 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Now, we don't have almonds, and again, I apologize, but it can be optional. I didn't do it because of allergies, but you could use almonds, walnuts. So we're not going to use any, but the last one would be the feta cheese. Is 1/3 cup of feta. And then you can just mix it all up. And I love using my hands, but again, we do have kitchen tools for this as well. Awesome. Looks really good. Looks very, very good.
Very tasty.
Yes. So now we're going to start off with the dressing. The dressing is going to be 1/3 cup of olive oil. Extra virgin is better. That's just what researchers are saying is best. And then 3 tablespoons of the red wine. And that's vinegar. The other is garlic. We're going to use a clove of garlic. And it's minced, not whole. And again, the benefits of this salad dressing are phenomenal. Garlic is really good for us as well. And then 2 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard. Excellent. And then oregano, salt, and pepper. And again, this is all to your choice. If you're on a low sodium, if you have issues with your kidneys or heart disease, any of those things, so salt to your liking, you can just put a little bit, since right there, a little squirt. Our bodies do need salt. and preferably Celtic sea salt is better. However, Himalayan sea salt is also very good. A little bit, and then black pepper. And then we put the cover on, and we're gonna shake. I'm sorry?
Oregano?
You could put the oregano, yes. Very good. And all of these herbs contain amazing properties for our bodies. So please take the time to research on your own when you have some downtime. It's wonderful. Yep, give it a good shake. Really good shake. And this is affordable and easy to make. Oh, I would pour the whole thing. Yeah, it's up to you. I mean, again, it's all your preference. But then you can just mix it all up. Again, your choice. Use your hands, use, any utensils, kitchen tools. It's up to you. So like to use your hands?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll do it. And then we're gonna need taste testers. Who would like to do the taste testing? There you go,
Right.
Maria. Come and join us.
I can't wait to try it.
Yes,
It looks great.
absolutely. It's delicious. Come on, Maria. Get a fork, a little tab right there. There you go. Perfect. And here you go. Try that and see, honestly, what are your thoughts? And the good thing about these salads, Louis, is that you can, again, use whatever items you choose. If you want to put your fork. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here you go. We'll pass these around. Whatever herbs and the amount of, right? Black pepper is phenomenal. Let's try it and see.
Delicious.
God, so good.
Excellent salad.
Don't worry, Justin. We have some for you. This is so good. Really good.
So stop by Pronto,
Mm-hmm.
come work in the garden, stop by the library, pick up some seeds. Thank you for joining us on Earth Day.
Thank you.
Delicious.